Ready, boys. Alright, they go in the center. You ready? Kill them.
I got one.
So what's the excuse for that? Woody's right here. Woody just flew across.
How do you tell?
You can tell by the way they fly.
Okay. So I ain't learned all that yet.
We got a minute. A minute. Open the ears. 1 minute. I think you'd be able to hear me in big old things.
Oh,
That hers?
right.
That's yours, right?
Yeah, that's it.
That's what I was thinking. Damn, boss, I had 3 fucking headlamps in my bag this morning. Didn't you know?
You need one?
No, it's shooting light.
I got a new one. Yeah.
Dad, what happened to not letting it fly forward? That's what it's doing here. No, I gave him a heads up. If I see one of them birds, I'm pulling the trigger. I told them it was shooting light.
Shooting like now.
Oh yeah. It's not my fault he didn't have it. And there we go. Oh no, he's right there. I see him.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to bust that bird. Y'all better hurry up.
Bird in the decoy.
It's shooting light. Are y'all ready or what?
What is it?
That's what
Y'all can kill him if you want to. It's shooting time.
Go ahead, Bryson.
No way.
Did that bird go down?
Yeah, he down. He's right. I see him right there.
You see him?
Yeah, he's like straight out.
When he got up, I watched it. Then Bossy finished it.
He's like right there.
Like swimming or like flat dead?
I
You
can see.
can't tell.
Yeah, I can see him in the water, but he ain't really moving too much. He's still in the same spot.
Well, y'all probably need to go get him then.
All right. Let's go get him, Bryson.
I know I already put the shell.
You good?
I'm on this side.
You go get him. You see him?
No, but I'll find him.
He's right there. I can barely see him. He's like right in there.
I seen him go. I did see him go down, but I don't see him right now. I put a mark on it. Where you at, Rocky?
He's like right in there. That's the last time I seen him because he ain't moved yet. He's like right in there. That fog over the water. I can't really see him no more now.
Somebody want to
Hey, what you?
What's up?
go with Brian?
Yeah, I go. Bryson, you got your gun? Hold on, Bryson. Bryson. Hold on, I'm coming. You want to bring my gun? You want to bring my gun? Oh, you got yours. Yeah, get in the water. Oh, shit. All right.
Oh, Woody right there. Woody out front.
Damn it.
He just landed.
Yeah, he did. He's right in front of us.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, that's two.
Was that our bird or was that different?
That's a different one. That ain't the one. Can't be.
Where'd it get?
Right, damn, Bryson. He's getting up.
I'm not gonna be able to get it.
Yeah. He gone.
Yeah, I see that now.
Damn, where's ours at? Because that ain't the same one.
Dude. Where's the other one?
He's out that way. Yeah.
You sure that's not him over?
I'm positive because that one came from over here. I
thought
can't.
he kept going.
Nah, because he went down in the water. I don't see shit neither. Where's the blind at? Right there. He should be out here. Right there, dog. Right there, Bryson.
It's still alive.
Maybe.
Because when I cut this motor, you bust me if it's alive.
Is it ready to go now?
Nah, safety's on.
What is safety at?
Was it off? Oh.
Oh,
It's right there
shit.
by the tree. The big one down.
The big and down wind is good?
Yeah, he's still alive. Can you see him good?
Yeah.
Yeah, kill him right there.
I did now. Get that safety back on
My
there.
gun jammed.
Did it?
That, sir, is
What is that? What is that?
you just killed a coot.
Damn it. We can't kill those.
Yes, you can.
Can you?
Yep, we just busted a coot.
You sure? Look at
That's
that.
a
Bryson. Look, get us back.
I'm gone. That's wood there. That's tail.
You
We
can,
just busted a big coot.
you can shoot
son.
those?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
that's a coot.
I thought you couldn't shoot coots.
No, you can't shoot coots.
Shit.
It's a coot, son. Hey, like you're a coot. Hell yeah. I busted the damn coot.
Hell yeah, Bryson.
It's a coot. Yeah, that was a woody. I covered his head. I don't know how he got up, but we killed a coot.
Good job, bro. I got the first coot, son.
Hell yeah.
Watch that stick right here.
Sure enough. Hell yeah, son. Hell yeah.
I swear it ain't the same bird that went down. I don't know. Maybe it is.
What's that?
I don't know if that's the same bird
I
that went
don't
down.
either, but congratulations. Because normally, like them coots, if he's flying across, he's gonna be about smacking the wings on top of the
Okay.
water. He's not gonna be real elevated coming in here.
Whoever shot that one ain't got but 14 more.
Yeah.
No,
Good-
we had a
Good job, dude.
We had a woody land out there. You can ask Bossy.
Yeah.
I covered his head. I don't know
He
how
did.
He got up.
He got it. Yeah, because he went down. Like he was down, and then when I got over there, he took off again.
I think that was a good group of jacks that come over the top when I was like, that's what we're assuming about the sound of their fucking wings and they come over too.
My camera was recording that whole entire time.
It's good.
Yeah, there's a big flock of teal, I think, flying around. That's what y'all were calling that. Huh? I said, I'm pretty sure that was a big flock of teal. They were very teeny. Or it's a massive flock of coots.
I ain't seen Goose is actually flying. I don't think it
Yeah, no. Now that's when a boat's pushing them and they're getting maybe 5 feet off the water then.
does. No, I'm talking about actually like legit flying.
Oh yeah.
That was that day in Tennessee.
And Dover Bottom.
Yep.
Remember I cut that one's head off. Just talking about that motherfucker. That's what I'm talking about. Hitting kicks.
Oh,
Shooting
yeah,
coots
yeah.
and they come by about the decoys and I decapitated that
Like
son of
that TO did with you.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
in Louisiana.
Breasted her out.
TO come. There's blue one. It's like, kind of ready that? Yeah, I think it's ready. It's coming. Next thing you know, it got right. I mean, you could see the bird. About
With last weekend? Old brass bead.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Hang
saying.
that shit up.
You ain't seeing shit. Oh, you're feeling that shot. Yeah.
Hang that up.
Single out front. One of the trees.
Dang. My call keeps freezing.
Y'all get ready. Y'all get ready. They dropped elevation. Lost them.
Right there.
They working around this right end.
Yeah. They coming back.
Dad, start your camera. Mine's not.
Right out front, coming right into the decoys. Get ready, boys.
Shit.
Alright, they go in center. You ready? Kill them.
I got one.
So what's the excuse for that?
not much.
I feel like that shit went right
Right
around.
there. Is that him right there?
Did he hit the water?
There's one right there, straight ahead.
He swimming?
Yeah, I see
Yeah,
him.
he's swimming.
There's no way I'm gonna hit that. Hey, let's go get that bird.
Hold on, let him swim past them decoys and bust his ass right there again.
I'm talking about the one over here.
It's
to the
another
right.
one. It's one right there too.
He's down. He's swimming
down.
away.
Yeah, he down. And he right there.
Out there.
Yeah,
You're
it's
not
one.
hitting that.
Yeah.
Wait, somebody needs to pick that one of the decoys up first, though.
Yeah.
He's still
Hey,
swimming.
go ahead and bust his ass.
I think about to see him now. Oh, I see.
Oh shit. Damn camera. He's still in. He down.
It's like my damn spread was all around that son of a bitch, wasn't it?
He down too. I don't think he's getting up neither.
That one should be coached.
Oh, so you bring your gun up?
Yeah, I got one on this side.
You got foot ready?
Yeah. No. We got two to get.
Barely.
Yeah. I forgot the damn load mount on that shot.
Grabbing him on
Then we gotta go over there somewhere. Hey, what's that right there, Bryson? Okay.
That's not a dip diver. Or that is a dip diver.
What do we got?
over in there. Get out of here, big guy.
We go that way.
I didn't go around with you. Fold him.
Oh, he down, Bryson. I see, you see him? Was recording that shit.
I tried to get my camera on, and I panicked, hit the wrong button.
I might have been recording.
Because I was
It's on.
messing with
Oh, bro, you gotta run him over. Out
it.
here. Same as the other one. That's what I'm talking about. Right here. Thank you, sir. You good?
That's exactly what the fuck happened there. Good job, boys. Oh, it's birdie.
Yes, sir. We'll take
Oh,
it.
hell yeah. You got your damn hooky hook. You big old bull jack.
Yes, sir.